Welcome to the Cosphatec formulation guide. Today we will show you how to develop a slow-aging day cream based on natural ingredients. The focus is on our Cosphaderm LAAS, a natural multifunctional active ingredient. First we combine Cosphaderm propanediol natural, Cosphaderm X soft, Cosphaderm sodium hyaluronate low. Then add it to the water phase and stirred until all the ingredients have completely dissolved. Now we add Cosphaderm PA12, Cosphaderm SB75H, GS Connect, CD-Earl alcohol, shea butter, Cosphaderm GMCY, MCT oil, dicaprolyl ether, and grape seed oil. Now we add phase C to phase AB. In the final step, we add Cosphaderm LAAS and Cosphaderm tocopherol at 40 degrees. Finally, the pH value is adjusted to 5.5. Our hydrating, regenerating, and naturally preserved slow-aging day cream with Cosphaderm LAAS is ready.